first little pig, he went to build his own house out of straws. And then the wolf comes, and then he said, little pig, let me in." And then the pig said, "Not by the head, by the chinny chin chin." The wolf huffed, then he puffed, and then he blew the house away. And then the pig went to the other little pig's house. And then the second little pig, he went to build his house out of sticks. And then the wolf, and then the little pigs went inside, and then the wolf just come, and then the wolf said, little pig, let me in." And then the pigs said, "Not by him, by the chinny chin chin." And then the wolf huffed, puffed, and then he blew the house away. And then the two little pigs went to the third pig house. And then the third pig, he just built his house out of blocks. Bricks.
Yeah.
And then the third little pig, and then the other little pigs, they went inside. And then the wolf just comes, and then the wolf said, little pig, let me in." And then the pig said, "Not by him, but the chinny chin chin." And the wolf huffed, and then he puffed, and then he blew the house away, but it didn't work. And then the wolf just got on the roof, and then the pigs went to get the soup really hot, and then the wolf just got there, and then he said, "Ow!" That's the end.
Yay! Good job. Say bye.
Bye. Can I see what I talked